We're behind in corn planting because of an abnormally wet and an abnormally cool winter. We've had well above normal rainfall over much of the eastern half of the state since October of '09. So we've been cloudy, we've been cold, and we've been wet, and farmers haven't been able to get in the field to prepare land, to apply fertilizer, to apply herbicide. Many of them should have already been planted, and they haven't planted yet because of the continual wet weather. And when you get cloudy weather and cold temperatures, fields don't dry as fast, so what might be an average time where we could get back in the fields, it's not been, because it's been cold and cloudy. If you look at the February data, and that's real critical data because much of the eastern side, the southern central area of the state begins to plant about the third week of February on a normal year. But this year, if you looked at the temperatures in February, statewide it averaged 7.8 degrees below the normal temperature. That's a tremendous difference, or off the chart as far as cooler weather than normal. So we had cloudy weather, we had cool temperatures, and so fields were not drying, and we've had almost no field activity since September, October in a lot of the state. We have the two primary feed grains in Texas. We have corn and sorghum, and a lot of people plant corn when they got good moisture. They have good stored soil moisture. Certainly we have good stored soil moisture, but the risk on corn is placing the pollination into warm or hot temperatures during the summer. If we have temperatures, say, over 90 during pollination on corn, we can get some sterility. If we put corn into a lot of stress during grain fill, we have potential aflatoxin problems in corn. So the risk of failure in corn goes up significantly as we get a little later in the year than this. Here in central Texas, we typically plant corn between mid-February and mid-March. A lot of people will switch over to sorghum because sorghum's better adapted to higher temperatures and drought stress than corn, and we normally get high temperatures and drought stress in midsummer. Can't predict that's what we're going to have this year, but if you look at what's a normal weather condition, hot and dry is normal for Texas in the summer.